Hey guys, if you watched my previous video as I went with you all to town to pick up my Google AdSense pin, I know you had this one big question. Where did she get the 4,000 watch hours for her to qualify for monetization? Say no more. Don't kill yourself with the question. On today's video, I want to share with you my real story of how I managed to get the 4,000 watch hours without any shortcuts, without any clickbaits. What worked for me without stress. What's up, my amazing people? Bonjour, mambo vipi. I hope that you all doing amazing. If you're new here, my good name is Mwaura, and thank you so much for passing by. Welcome to the channel. On today's video, I really want to tackle this question that I have seen in the comment section, in the Instagram DM, in the Facebook DM. And guys, I decided, let me just make this video so that you all can get it. If you watched that previous video where I went to pick the Google AdSense pin, and if you have not checked that video, make sure that after watching this video you go right there so that you can watch the video. And here I want to tell you a story how I even qualified to be mailed that pin. I'm just going to tell you the doable stuff that you can adjust in your content creation so that you can get your 4,000 watch hours. I've come to realize with many YouTubers, it's easier for them to get the subscribers, but now the watch hours is where the task is. Let's begin from the beginning. When I started my channel, I had 0 subscribers, I had 0 watch hours. What I had was a clear goal. I just wanted to grow my lifestyle brand and eventually get it monetized. For me to get the 4,000 watch hours, first, I started to focus on value-based content. When I'm creating my videos, I made sure that the videos that I'm creating, they are valuable to the viewer and also to the new YouTuber that just started their channel. If I make a video I really like, the same way even as I watch other people's content, I expect maybe my interest is I want to learn something from the content that they are creating. So I try and make content. If it's lifestyle vlogs, I make sure that the content that I've created, you are going to learn 1 or 2 things, very authentic. I love that I can create content that you can relate with. Even with my YouTube growth videos, I usually make that if you're going to watch my video, you are going to see value in the video that you have seen. For example, the mistake I avoided when I started the YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel in 2025, such things, such contents, and also the video like I just made right now. I make sure that the video that I've created has value so that even if you watch this video 10 years later, if you're going to watch this video 6 months later, you're going to get the value in this content. The other thing that I decided to focus on is I chose evergreen topics, like the video that I'm doing right now. I am doing this video to answer the question that you guys have been asking, like, how did you manage to get the 4,000 watch hours? If I see that comment, if I see that DM, I get to understand, okay, this is what these people are looking for. This makes your people to continue viewing your content, and you're sure that they are going to complete the content that you just uploaded. Why? This is what they want, so that increases your watch hours. You understand, guys? The other thing is I engaged with my viewers. How? In the comment section. I make sure that I do reply to each and everyone's comment so that I can connect with my viewers. And also I ask questions, especially like in my video I ask questions. Also, you can check my description. I do ask questions so that I get to know where my people are or how they are relating with the content that I have uploaded. Also, in the comments, I usually pin a comment after uploading so that I can connect with my viewers. Guys, how does this work? This works magic like this. If you engage with your viewers, you are going to build a community. Every time you get to upload that video, they know that we belong. You give them that sense of belonging, so they are always coming back to see whatever, or when they see the notification that you have uploaded a video, they will of course come and see whatever you have posted. Why? Because you always welcome them in your channel. Watch hours do not have shortcuts. Watch hours, it's not like subscribers. Subscribers will just meet someone and tell them, okay, please can you subscribe to my channel. Watch hours means sitting down, watching your videos to the very end, or watching your videos, having interest with the content that you have uploaded. You have to make sure that you make people watch your content. So guys, these are things that have worked for me, and I'm sure if you're going to try them, they are going to work for you. The other thing is I stayed consistent with my uploads. I have tried like posting at least one video per week. Right now I'm really working on posting as many videos as possible, but at least I make sure per week I upload that video. I set a goal and stuck to it. Even when I didn't feel like posting, you know, sometimes you're like, I'm not even motivated to post any content. Try and be consistent with your uploads. Make sure that you alert YouTube that your channel is reliable and active. The more you post, the more you get to gain your watch hours. Guys, the other thing is I made people watch my content longer. Like, I learned how to use a hook. The very first 30 seconds of your video really matters. How to use chapters and storytelling. Make sure that you make people want to stay in that video, watch that video to the very end. So make sure that you welcome them in the very 30 seconds. Like, make sure that you keep them there. Also, put chapters in your content. If someone is taking notes, now I'm coming back to the valuable content. Many other times when I'm watching a certain video or I'm interested in a certain video, I usually take pen. I take my pen, note whatever I think is valuable to my content creation or in life generally, because sometimes you find you're watching different content depending on what you're looking for. When you put chapters, they can even pause, take that note because you have the chapter right there. Storytelling, you can create storytime videos, you know, talk to your people, engage with your people, tell them about your experience, maybe somewhere you worked and you got this kind of experience, you know, relationship stories. People like stories, especially where there is gist. People will watch your content, and right there you are going to get your watch time. The content that you are making, make sure there is a reason why your people are watching your content. I insist, it's about the quality, not the quantity. Like my experience that I posted about my AdSense pin, that's a lot to learn. With the time it took for me to get the pin, make sure that it's valuable. People are going to watch your content. When your people find it, they are going to stay, they are going to subscribe, they are going to watch your content. I insist on the quality. Guys, if these tips are really helping you to this point, take that second and subscribe to the channel. As we move forward, I share everything that I'm learning along the way, and I would love to share it with you all. I share my real life stories right here, the lifestyle, also the YouTube growth videos, the truth about my watch hours growth. I'll be honest with you all, I didn't boom, I didn't go viral, I just grew steady. But if you combine intentional content, intentional community, and consistency, you're going to get there too. Guys, the tips that I've given you, honestly, that's what worked for me. As I have said, watch hours, it's not like the subscribers. I know that 4,000 watch hours might look like ambiguous thing, like a lot, but trust you me, if you use the right steps, you are going to get there too. Use these tips that I have just told you all, and for sure you are going to see it come. If you see that change, I would love to know how it feels. Now that you know how I gained my 4,000 watch hours, go check out my video where I went to collect my pin and see what happened. Go see how my experience was. It's a real journey, and I want you all to experience it with me. Whatever I learned, nikilearn tu kitu kidogo hivi, I'll be coming in here telling you so that we can all grow together. The link of the video is in the description, so make sure that you go and check it out. If you're working through monetization, guy, I'm cheering on you. Yes, it is doable. Keep growing, keep shining. Subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, for more tips on how you can get better and better. Thank you so much for watching my video up to this point. I hope that you have learned a thing or two. Let me see you on the next one. Bye for now. Au revoir. See you on the next one.